let's talk about grammar. Прилагательные, adjective endings. We are going to build together a big grammar table with all types of adjective endings. Don't be scared, don't worry. It might seem a little bit overwhelming because it's new grammar and these are new words and new grammar given together. That's how, unfortunately, it is with adjectives always. We learn new words and we at the same time learn how to form their endings. But we will do it together, we will go step by step, and in the end it won't be difficult, I promise you. So there are 4 columns here because there are 3 genders, singular, on for masculine, она for feminine, оно for neuter, and the last column is for plural, они. And in the second row you can see 4 questions. Какой, you can translate it as which or what, so it's a question for an adjectives like welche in German or quel in French. So какой for masculine, какая for feminine, какое for neuter, and какие for plural. So какой это день, what day is it? Or какая погода, what weather it is today. So these are the questions. You can see already in the questions that what changes is the ending. So the ending of the adjective will change and then it will show us what gender it is, or if it's plural or singular. Let's start with the first one, so-called hard stem. These types of adjectives are the most popular ones and they are the most common and widespread ones. So a lot of adjectives will fall under this rule. Adjectives like трудный. Трудный, what does it mean? Difficult. Трудный язык, difficult language. Трудная задача, a difficult task. Трудное упражнение, a difficult exercise. Трудные дни, difficult days. So the endings for this type of adjectives will be ый for masculine, so this one, ый. Ая for feminine. Трудное ое for neuter. Трудные ые for plural. You can see that the endings are not stressed. So we don't say трудное, we say трудное, reduction of the unstressed o. So why is it called hard stem? What is a stem? So a stem is everything except the ending of the word. So if I is the ending, then трудн is the stem. So it's the root and all the suffixes and prefixes make a stem. It's like a fundament of the word. And we say hard stem because the last consonant that precedes the ending is a hard consonant. It's n. It's not н, it's n. Трудный. And as we know, the vowel y follows a hard consonant. Here we have a second example. It's a little bit different. Молодой, young. Молодой человек, young man. Молодой, молодая, молодое, молодые. You see that the endings here are all the same except the one for masculine. It has oi, not I. Why so? Why is it oi? Because the ending is stressed. It's not an exception, it's another type of a hard stem. So oi can also be the ending, but it's always stressed. And then if you see that it's oi, you know the ending is stressed, then all the endings will be stressed. Also for the other forms. So молодой, молодая, молодое. Here oi is pronounced молодые. Let's move on. The next one, maybe you can already guess. If the first one is hard stem, the next one will be soft stem. So what's the difference is that the last consonant of the stem, the one that precedes the ending, will be soft, which will make all the vowels soft. Like in this example, последний. Последний means the last one. Remember, первый first, последний last. Последний. You can hear that it's not n here, it's н, soft one. Последний. So it's the consonant that is soft, but when we write it, we don't see the difference. It's also n, but the following vowel, e, makes it soft. And how it will be, we will use these soft endings. So all these и, я, ее, and ие. Последний, последняя, последнее, последние. So, последний экзамен, the last exam. Последняя ночь, the last night. Not the last in the sense of previous, no. Последний is only used as the last in the row, so it's the last one. So it means it's the end, there won't be the one. So it's the opposite of первый, the first one. Like последний этаж, the last floor. So if you want to say something happened last night, it won't be последний, it will be прошлый, like passé, the past night. It will be a different one. Последнее задание, the last task. Последние деньги, last money. What can I say as well about the soft stem adjectives? That they are not very popular. Not so many adjectives will be of the soft stem. The next one is a so-called 7-letter rule. It's not a really separate group of adjectives. You can say it's even hard stem or soft stem group. It's just that there is a 7-letter rule. It's a golden rule that is not only working for adjectives, but for anything in the Russian language. What does it say? Do you remember that there are some 7 letters? These ones. G, K, H, J, Ch, Sh, Sh. And after these letters, you cannot write U, you have to write I. Which means that the ending U in masculine and the ending UE in plural is not possible. And it will be replaced by I and IE. But it says nothing about A or Ya or Oye, which means that we're not going to use the soft ones, we will stay with the hard ones. So it's such a mix, it's like a hybrid of types. There are a lot of words like this. Let's look at this example. Легкий, easy, light. Легкий, легкий. Легкая, легкое, легкие. You see that here we use E because of the 7-letter rule, but here we don't change anything. A lot of words use K before the ending, like русский, английский, испанский, and some other words like тихий, quiet, or горький, bitter, and some other. The last group is the adjectives that follow under the 5-letter rule. What is the 5-letter rule? The 5 letters are Ž, Ch, Sh, Sh, C. It's a little bit similar to the 7 letters rule, but it doesn't use these letters K, G, H, only Ž, Ch, Sh, Sh, plus C. And after those letters, we write ye instead of or. So it's important for the neuter adjectives. We also don't write U and we write E because it's some of these letters are also the 7-letter rule because K, G, H, Sh, Sh also are here. But it only works for unstressed endings. What does it mean? Let's look at the first example. Хороший. There is sh. The ending is unstressed. Хороший. So, because of the 7-letter rule, we don't write U, we write I, so it's хороший. Not хороший. Хорошая. No problem. It's not a soft stem. It's no 5 or 7 letters rule apply here. Then хорошее. Why so? Because the ending is unstressed, and after sh we don't write or, we write ye. Хорошие. Here the 7-letter rule applies. Хорошие. But we said that it only works for unstressed ending. Look at the adjective большой. It also has sh here, but the ending is stressed. That's why большой, большая, but here the ending is stressed, so we don't change or to ye. We say большое. And then большие, we still write E because of the 7-letter rule that doesn't care about stress. It's always E instead of U. So this table is very good to refer to once you learn more adjectives, but for now this is enough. Спасибо.